Gusto mo maging virtual assistant pero hindi mo alam kung anong skills ang kailangan? Good news! Hindi mo kailangan maging expert agad. In this video, I'll show you the 10 most important skills na kailangan mo para maging VA, even if zero experience ka. Make sure to watch until the end dahil may bonus high-income skills ako na pwede mong aralin to earn more as a VA. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this video na for sure makakatulong sa'yo sa pag-develop ng career mo as a VA. So let's get started! Unang skill, basic computer skills. Ito ang pinaka-foundation ng pagiging VA. Kailangan marunong ka gumamit ng Microsoft Word, Excel, or Google Sheets, Google Drive. Hindi mo kailangan maging expert agad, but you should know how to type documents, organize files, use basic formulas. Pro tip: if marunong ka ng Excel tulad ng VLOOKUP, malaking advantage na yan. Second, English communication. Most clients mo ay foreign, so importante na marunong ka magsulat ng clear emails, naiintindihan mo instructions, and kaya mong makipag-usap professionally. Hindi kailangan perfect grammar. What's important is clear and confident ka mag-communicate. Next is email and calendar management. Ito ang isa sa pinaka-common tasks ng VA. Pag-organize ng inbox, pag-reply sa emails, and pag-schedule ng meetings. Some of the tools na ginagamit dito ay Gmail and Google Calendar. Kapag marunong ka nito, ready ka na agad for admin tasks. Fourth, administrative skills. Ito yung mga tasks tulad ng data entry, online research, document formatting. Simple lang siya, but clients value accuracy and attention to detail. Dito pumapasok ang pagiging maingat sa trabaho. Next, social media management. High demand ito especially sa beginners. Tasks include posting content, replying to comments, and managing Facebook or Instagram pages. You can use tools like Canva for design and Meta Business Suite for scheduling. Magandang niche ito kung mahilig ka sa social media. Sixth, e-commerce support. Maraming online businesses ang naghahanap ng VA para sa order processing, product listing, and customer support para sa mga platforms like Shopify, Amazon, etc. Kahit basic knowledge lang, pwede ka na magsimula. Next is basic graphic design. Hindi mo kailangan maging professional designer. Using Canva, you can create social media posts, thumbnails, and simple ads. This skill can make you stand out agad sa ibang applicants. 8. Time management. Since work from home ka, walang boss na nagbabantay. Ikaw ang mag-manage ng oras mo. Kailangan, marunong ka mag-prioritize and marunong ka mag-meet ng deadlines. This is one of the most important skills to keep clients long-term. 9th, customer service skills. Kailangan marunong ka makipag-usap ng maayos sa clients or customers, mag-handle ng complaints, at mag-solve ng problems calmly. Always remember, professionalism is key. Last, familiarity with tools. Some common tools like Trello or Asana for task management, Slack for communication, and Zoom for meetings. Hindi mo kailangan aralin lahat agad. Start with basics, then improve over time. Bonus: if gusto mong kumita ng mas malaki as a VA, you can learn Facebook ads, SEO, copywriting, and video editing. These skills can help you earn 2 to 5 times more compared sa basic VA tasks. So ayan, the 10 important skills you need to become a virtual assistant. Remember, you don't need to learn everything at once. Start small, stay consistent, and improve every day. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow me for more VA tips. See you in the next video!